What is Boxing Day? So Boxing Day is celebrated on the 26th of December every year. It's the day after Christmas Day. It is celebrated in many countries, with many having their own traditions that have become more popular over time. In the UK, many shops begin their Boxing Day sales, meaning that lots of people leave their homes early and queue outside shops to make sure that they can be the first in line for the bargains. Sporting competitions are also known to take place on this day, with many sports fans looking forward to watching matches played by their favourite football and rugby teams. In Ireland, the day after Christmas Day is known as Wrens Day. Traditionally, children are said to catch a wren and take it around to the neighbour's door to give away their lucky feathers. Some cities in Ireland still have a wren celebration where people dress up as a bird and parade through the town. Queen Victoria began her reign as Queen in England in 1837. Many of the Christmas traditions that we have today in the UK started around this time. Before Queen Victoria's reign, Christmas trees were not an item that British people had inside their houses. Christmas cards began being sent to family and friends. Until then, Christmas was not a holiday time. Some of the rich employers began to give middle-class employees time off at Christmas and Boxing Day. The servants of the rich were given a gift on the day after Christmas. The churches also opened up their donation boxes and shared the money among the poor. Some people believe that this is why the day after Christmas is called Boxing Day. The 26th of December is also St. Stephen's Day. St. Stephen was known to help the poor in many ways. He taught people about God and was killed for his beliefs. Even when he was dying, he begged God to forgive those who hurt him. So what did you learn about Boxing Day in this video? And can you think of any other reasons why the 26th of December is known as Boxing Day? Let us know in the comments below.